The Stranger Things actress is all grown up and dating the famous musician Jon Bon Jovi's son, Jake Bon Jovi, 20. Millie Bobby Brown, 18, and her man took to the streets of New York City over the weekend of August 13. The pair looked head over heels in love, as Jack lovingly showered his girlfriend in kisses. Jake and Millie have been packing on the PDA over the last few months and don't seem to be slowing down anytime soon. We love puppy love. In pics you can see here, Millie wore an outfit appropriate for the NYC heat wave, as she rocked a knitted blue bra paired with classic denim shorts. She also accessorized fashionably with a white Louis Vuitton purse and wore her hair up with a cute clip. In addition, Millie wore a pair of white sneakers and a minimal gold necklace to complete the summer look. It seems Jake and Millie wanted to feel some sweet nostalgia as they took their romance back to where it all started, in New York City. The pair went public with their sweet romance last summer in the same city. Just 9 months later, they hit the red carpet together in March 2022 at the BAFTAs, Page 6 reported. Jake kept his look casual with a Guitar Hero black t-shirt and beige shorts. He paired his summer look with sunglasses and black sneakers while he held his girlfriend's hand in NYC. While they were out shopping in the city, Millie appeared to be completely smitten over her man and draped her arms over his neck. They also packed on plenty of kisses while out and about. Articles trending now. Trending now. Annette Bening, 64, and Warren Beatty, 85, spotted on sexy date night in rare public photo. Jennifer Lopez and Ben Affleck hosting second 3-day wedding in Georgia. It'll be all about J.Lo. Ian Ziering mourns 90,210 co-star Denise Dow's after her death. She will always be remembered. The 20-year-old is the son of Jon Bon Jovi and Dorothea Hurley, 59, who have been married for over 30 years. Jake and Millie are totally obsessed with each other and we can't get over how cute they are together. They both are seen all over each other's social media, as the couple is not shy about expressing their love for each other. Millie shared a super sweet Sunday post on Instagram on August 10 showing off her man. She captioned the post, "Always be my baby." Less than 3 in the picture of her and Jake enjoying ice cream together. Talk about summer goals. Jake also professed his love for his girlfriend on Instagram with a sweet red carpet photo. He wrote, "Congratulations babe, you deserve the world, love you."